Alright folks, so here we are at Lake Nakuru. So looks like we are entering through the indirect gate, and there are few people ahead of us who are looking to enter. So our guide is waiting for his turn to make a payment, and good part is our lodge is apparently very close from here, so we're going to go there, something to eat, take some rest, shower, and then go on the evening game drive. So it's already 1 o'clock. We were hoping to get here earlier, but it's a lot of traffic, and then we had to deal with some puncture and all that, so finally here we are.
Hello, here we are at Lake Nakuru Lodge. It's very near the north gate and looks really nice. And actually, if you probably from the rooms you can see the lake. Getting inside, this is how it looks, and they have some welcome drinks. Hi. Hi, say hi.
Hello. Welcome to Nakuru Lodge.
Thank you. So this is how the entrance to the rooms look like, and there are many bags. People are waiting, checking in into the hotel, and yeah, and the staff are ready to get you all set up. They are already holding the bags so that they can right after you check in, they can guide you to your room and take your luggage and get you started. Yeah. Alright, so here are the rhinos, and that's the baby rhino, and these are the bigger rhinos, maybe a mommy rhino and a daddy rhino.
Will be a single male. The male that impregnate them.
Simba. Simba. Merry Christmas, everyone. We're at the Nakuru Lodge for dinner on Christmas today. It's beautifully set up by the pool. And they have a buffet there. You can see there's a buffet and got some coffee, waiting for some milk. But yeah, it is pretty beautiful. And there in the distance you see Nakuru city. So,